The selection sort is a pretty straightforward sort that works like this. First, we've got our list. And the list, of course, is an array starting at 0 with all the different array positions that we have. So the selection sort works by starting, we take a current position, and we'll set the current position equal to 0, which says that we are looking to work right now with the slot 15, and we're going to scan to the left, scan from the left to the right and find the smallest element. So we're going to start at 15. We're going to keep track of the min position, which right now, as far as we're concerned, the minimum is 15 because we haven't scanned yet to the right. And we're going to keep track of the scan position. That is where we're scanning. So we've got quite a few different positions that we're tracking. Once we've got all this set up, we start moving the scan position from here and continue on down our list. So scan position will go from 0 to 9. The min position, every time we find in the scan position a number less than the current min, then we go ahead and move the min position. So right now the min position will be 15. 57 is not less than 15. 14 is, so we'll move the min position over here. Then we keep scanning, and I do not see anything less than that. So what happens next is that we swap the 15 and the 14. Basically, our current position along with the min position. So we've got 14 here, the 57 carries down, 15, 22, 72, 79, and so forth. Then we'll just repeat the loop one more time, well, quite a few more times, but instead of current position being here, our current position is here. We look for the min position, we scan to the right. As you can see, the min position is going to be 15 because that's the smallest element, so we'll swap these two. 15, 57. And the rest of these carry down. So each time through that loop, we select, hence the name select sort. We select the smallest element and we swap it into position. And as we go through this loop, so our current position will go from here to here. Now we go here, we find the smallest element, which looks like should be about the 22. So we'll swap the 22 and the 57, 22. And as you can see here, we now have 14, 15, and 22 are all correctly sorted. The 57 goes over here. And then we just keep repeating, finding the smallest element each time. Okay, now our current position is right here. We look for the smallest element, so min position will be, looks like right at 26, if I've got that right. So we'll swap here and over here. 26. These will carry down. And this will carry down. 79. 57 goes here because that was part of the swap. And so forth. So that's an introduction to the selection sort, the concepts behind it. You can take any list of numbers and just in the same method that I've shown here, demonstrate how the selection sort will work in putting that together.